All right, last part, and it will be short. This is example 7, midpoint formula, page 617. All right, so when you have a line in a coordinate plane, like so, okay, here's our coordinate plane, and we have a line, we're gonna go with the same line we had last time, and it has two endpoints, whatever they are. When you need to find the midpoint of the line, where is the midpoint of the line? This is how you can find it. You have an X and a Y, and an X and a Y. Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna label one as X1, Y1, and the other one's gonna be X2, Y2. All right, so to find the midpoint of this, you're gonna take your X coordinates, X1 plus X2, and divide them by 2. And then you're gonna do it for your Y coordinates, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So you're going to have a new X and Y coordinate value here. That will be, when you plot them, will be the midpoint of the line. So in example 7, it says, find the midpoint of a line segment that joins points P, which is -3, 3, and Q, which is 1, 0. All right, so if we were actually to plot this so we could get a visual of what this looked like, here's your coordinate plane, and we had -3 and +3, so like over here. And then Q was 1, 0, so it was right here. So we're wanting the midpoint of this line here. So we can assign our X1 and our Y1 and our X2 and our Y2. And then we're gonna use the midpoint formula. So X1, which is -3, plus X2, which is +1 over 2. And then for Y, we have 3 and 0, Y1 and Y2 over 2. So now we're just gonna solve. -3 plus 1 is -2 over 2 for our X value. And for our Y value, we have 3 over 2. So -2 over 2 is -1 and 3/2 is going to be our coordinates. So if we were to plot that, we're looking at -1 and 3/2. So I didn't do a very good job of drawing this to scale, but it would be like right here somewhere, right there, okay? All right, so go ahead and try practice 7, please. Okay, practice 7 says find the midpoint of the line segment that joins P, which is 5, -2, and Q, which is 8, -6. Okay, so assign them values, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. All right, so let's use midpoint formula. So we have 5 plus 8 divided by 2, and we have -2 plus -6 divided by 2. So we have 13 over 2 for our X value, and for our Y value, we have -8 over 2. And that one can be reduced to -4. So your coordinates would be 13/2 and -4. Okay, that's it. That's all for 10-3. We'll post the homework on Google Classroom.